A15 Pro Max unlocked. Android phone 8-core Android. 13 phone. 8 GB plus to 56 GB cell phone. 2 for MP plus 50 MP. Camera pixel 6800 mAh. Battery for extended standby 7-inch. HD screen mobile phone 5G dual SIM. Brand VIVAHHX. Operating system Android 13.0. RAM memory installed size 8 GB. Memory storage capacity to 156 GB. Screen size 7 inches. Resolution 1280 by 720. Model name A15 PROMAX. Wireless carrier unlocked for all carriers. Cellular technology 5G. Color titanium green. The use of high-grade titanium material gives it lighter, stronger and more durable characteristics. The application of titanium alloy not only enhances the overall texture of the device, but also enhances its durability in various environments. A15 PROMAX introduces a new dynamic island feature. Intelligently displays important notifications such as incoming calls, messages, reminders, etc. based on your usage. You can quickly view and respond to these notifications without leaving the current app. Experience the future with the A15 PROMAX unlocked cell phone. A for G dual SIM device designed to elevate your connectivity. This technology-leading phone supports 5G for G, 3G to G cellular networks, offering a wide range of frequency bands for seamless connectivity. Unlocked for all carriers, the A15 PROMAX ensures you stay connected to the world no matter where you are. 6800 mAh. Extra large battery experience. Long-lasting battery life with A15 PROMAX. Unlocked phone, powerful enough to support long gaming or phone calls. Its intelligent AI battery management optimizes power consumption and intelligently extends standby time. Say goodbye to battery worries and enjoy the convenience and long-lasting power that A15 PROMAX brings to your life. Immerse yourself in stunning visuals on the 7-inch HD LCD, delivering crisp and vibrant images for your movies, photos, videos, and games. The widescreen format enhances your viewing pleasure, bringing your content to life like never before. Powered by an octa-core processor and offering 256 GB of storage space, the A15 PROMAX unlocked Android phone provides powerful performance and ample room for all your needs. Capture life's moments with the comprehensive camera upgrade on the A15 PROMAX Android phone. Featuring a 50MP main camera, a 2MP macro lens, and advanced image processing technology, it delivers vibrant colors and stunning details in every shot. The 2 for MP front-facing camera with built-in portrait enhancement ensures flawless selfies every time. Experience hassle-free security with facial recognition and fingerprint unlocking features, eliminating the need for complex passwords. This seamless blend of security and convenience ensures quick and secure access to your device.